Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to control Android phone by voice. Here's a step guide to control your Android phone by voice commands. First is to unlock your mobile phone and go to the home screen. Open the Google app pre-installed on most Android phones. In the bottom right, tap your profile picture or initial. Choose Settings from the menu. Tap on Google Assistant, sometimes just Assistant. In the Assistant settings, tap Hey Google and Voice Match. Turn on Hey Google toggle to enable voice detection. Follow the on-screen instructions to train your voice model if it's your first time labeling Voice Assistant. Say Hey Google or OK Google to test if it wakes the assistant. Once active, you can say commands like open YouTube, send a text to, or call mom. You can also control settings by saying things like turn on Wi-Fi or increase brightness. To send messages, say send a message on WhatsApp to the name and dictate your text. For navigation, say navigate to the place and it will open the Google Maps. Keep practicing with different commands. Your assistant will learn and improve at understanding your voice over time. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.